back to my channel.
Me?
Today we're playing Rec Room.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm just bad.
Let's get right into it.
Potato!
Did you die at
You
spawn?
have no idea what I just went through. You have no idea.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
I kept getting jump scared over and over and over again. And you
told you he
wouldn't
doesn't
let
like
go
you.
of me.
He doesn't like you. Wait, so
He
did he get you
kept
at
killing
spawn?
Dude, no, he just like continued to hold me, and he just continued to walk around, and he like kept killing me, but I just gotta like stay there while I continue to jump scare me. No, not again.
Don't go that way.
What am you? Hold on, guys.